Here we go again. Welcome to iLovei. My name's Sonny.
I'm Chanel.
And today we're out here in North. Welcome to iLovei. My name's Sonny.
I'm Chanel.
And today we're out here in North Hollywood checking out Bangin' Buns.
Bangin', yo.
So this place is, they make Nashville hot style chicken into like a sandwich. Looks pretty bomb. Let's check it out. All right, man, so
rolling.
We're here at Bangin' Bun.
It's banging, yo.
This place is like Dave's Hot Chicken. They're in a parking lot. But it's a little more packed. It's a Monday.
Yeah.
I mean, like they're packed.
This shit was packed. We waited like 30
live,
minutes.
Yeah, live on Monday. You get food and a fight.
Food and a fight.
So
you know what I'm saying? We walked in, just two girls getting down.
Squabbling,
Hey, what'd you say to? The girl came outside and said, "I just fought your sister." Talking to her friend on the phone.
Yeah, man, some Bangin' Buns drama right there.
All right,
but we're gonna try this out for you.
So look, they normally do. You can either choose to get white toast or French roll. So we went with the French roll. We got spicy and we got it's banging, yo. And some fries. So they put coleslaw on it. They put some special sauce.
And it's like Nashville hot chicken. So
yep.
Just gonna try this out.
He's hungry. We've been waiting.
Not really?
No. Now I don't know which one's banging, yo, but
chicken's good.
Hot. I like it. You didn't? Which one did you get? Was it hot? Nah.
That one's not hot.
Okay.
Well, one hot?
I don't think so.
None of them
you
are
gotta
hot.
be careful. It could come back and kick me in my ass when I say it.
It's spicy, but it's not. It's not. I don't know. When I refer to hot, I'm talking about I need a rest between bites so I could cool off. But I'm gonna try this out.
Like that one right there, that howling shit?
Yeah. Good. Chicken's really juicy. Bun's really tender and soft. And it's got like a crispy
Tender
outside.
buns?
It's crispy on the outside because they kind of like toasted it. It's really good. Fries are good, seasoned fries.
I mean, they're doing a damn thing out here.
And man, if you guys want to check this out, we'll leave all the information in the description below.
Yeah.
But make sure you come accordingly because the lines get pretty retarded and orders take forever, man.
A little trick for you guys, because I was sitting there waiting, right? And everyone that did a phone order pretty much got their food before I did. So I would say call it in. They're open from 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. or until they run out. So, and Sundays are closed. We found out the hard way too. But other than that, man.
Yeah, it was awesome, man. Come check them out.
They're going to have a brick and mortar pretty soon. Hopefully within the next 2 months is what they said. So other than that, hit that subscribe button. Like the video.
Make sure you leave a comment down below if you want us to cover any other spots. And most of all, share this with your family and friends.
Because they'll love it.
We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.